Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a new service or a new product which is available, and you don't have to create and maintain your portfolio anymore, even your resume. So, how that sounds? I'm sold. The moment I came across this service or this product, I was sold. I just went ahead and created my profile. So, I'm going to show you something called as peer list, which is really amazing product right now, which is available in beta. It is uh, I got the invite from Twitter. So in case you need invite, probably I can get you some invite as well. But let me show you this amazing product which we have. So it's been always a pain, right, to create, maintain your portfolio. I mean, you have to go ahead and update all the links in case you are posting your blogs on Medium or Dev2. At least for me, I used to every month I used to go to my portfolio and update those links. We don't have to do that anymore. So on peer list, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and connect your account, Medium account and Dev2 account. These two integrations are available, as well as in case you are a fan of Hashnode, yes, that integration is available as well. You can see you can just provide your account, your username, and it will fetch the details from there. So right now you can see it says it shows latest 8 Hashnode articles, and similarly you can see Dev2. I think this is also last 8 articles which is available here. But yeah, which is enough, right? You don't have to go ahead and update those links monthly. You can provide the uh, view of your GitHub commit on the same page. That's pretty cool, right? Generally what we do is we share a GitHub links to someone, and then he will open this and see what are the contributions which you have made. It also lists the some of the repositories which I have actually created or forked, and just click on this and it will be redirected to the GitHub. So that's also available. This integration is also available. You can also mention all the technologies you know. So you can just go to edit profile, and there is something called profile tags, and you can select whatever the technologies you have learned or whatever you do, and they have available. The icons are available for most of the technologies here. You can see in case something is missing, just let the team know, and they will do it for you. I have also added my Twitter account and YouTube account, as well as my own portfolio which exists as of now. But in future, I'm planning to actually move to Peerless because I don't have to maintain everything on my own portfolio, and I don't have to update it every month, right? Another thing is resume, right? For every job you apply, you have to provide your resume. It gives a nice view, so where you can actually add all the experience. Of course, I have to still go ahead and update my profile. But yeah, I can go ahead and all add my all experiences here, certifications, education, community work. In case you are part of some community, for example, GD or GitHub Star, you can just go ahead and add it. Or even DSC, a lot of students are part of DSC programs or Microsoft student programs. So you can just go ahead and add those as well. It has link to, I mean, you can share your profile on Twitter as well as LinkedIn, and just share your feedback in case you have any. And apart from this, yeah, this looks pretty cool to me. And I'm planning to move away from my own portfolio to this peer list in future.